Welcome to the Ruvati booth, KBIS 2025. I'm so excited to be here. This year, we're so excited to talk about our laundry workstation sink. One thing about Ruvati is that we prioritize sinks for every room. So this is what we come up for the laundry room. This sink is going to come with a wooden washboard. Basically, it's going to be that traditional laundry kind of capability. Buff out those tough stains, the wine stains, the baby stains, whatever it may be. This is going to be perfect for, for really getting in there down and dirty in the laundry room. It's also going to come with this foldable drying rack, which is a patent of ours. It can hold up to around 80 pounds. So fill up a bucket of water, hang your laundry that you need to hand wash, and everything is going to flow right into this sink. The sink is 12 inches deep, which is perfect for the laundry room. It's also going to come with this bottom rinse grid. So whether you're washing your work boots or you're letting some things dry, the water still is going to run perfectly underneath that rinse grid. So no drainage issues whatsoever. So this is our laundry workstation sink, and it's available now.